Upgrading your kitchen? Start with the cooktop choice. Before we compare sizes, here's how to think about it. This is the trade table, where home improvement meets smart design. Choosing between a 30-inch cooktop and a 36-inch cooktop is one of the most common decisions homeowners face when designing or upgrading a kitchen. Both sizes perform similarly in many ways, but the right choice depends on your cooking habits, kitchen layout, and overall design goals. Let's break it down. The most obvious difference is width. A 30-inch cooktop is the standard size in most kitchens and fits easily into typical cabinet layouts. A 36-inch cooktop offers additional cooking space and usually includes an extra burner or larger cooking zones. This added width can make a noticeable difference when cooking multiple dishes at the same time. However, it also requires more counter space and cabinet planning. Cooking capacity is where the two sizes really start to diverge. Most 30-inch cooktops feature 4 burners, which is ideal for everyday cooking and smaller households. 36-inch cooktops often include 5 or 6 burners, giving you more flexibility for larger meals, entertaining or cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. The additional burner space also allows larger pots and pans to be used comfortably without crowding the cooking surface. For frequent cooks or larger families, that extra space can be a big advantage. Kitchen layout is another important factor. A 30-inch cooktop works well in most kitchen designs because cabinets are typically built around this standard width. A 36-inch cooktop may require wider base cabinets and additional countertop space. If you're planning a full remodel, this may not be an issue, but in smaller kitchens or simple upgrades, sticking with 30 inches can make installation easier and more cost-effective. Price is another area where the sizes can differ. 30-inch cooktops are generally more affordable and offer a wide variety of models across different fuel types. 36-inch cooktops tend to cost more due to the additional burners, larger components, and often more premium positioning in product lineups. Installation costs may also increase slightly if cabinetry modifications are required. The best cooktop size depends on how you use your kitchen. A 30-inch cooktop is perfect for smaller kitchens, everyday cooking, and homeowners who want a standard, reliable setup. A 36-inch cooktop works best in larger kitchens, for serious home cooks, or households that frequently prepare multiple dishes at once. It also pairs well with professional-style kitchen designs, where the cooking area becomes a centerpiece. Both sizes offer excellent performance, but the right choice depends on your kitchen space and cooking habits. If efficiency and standard sizing are priorities, a 30-inch cooktop is a great fit. If you want more cooking flexibility and a professional-style layout, a 36-inch cooktop may be worth the upgrade. To compare cooktops from trusted brands, visit thetradetable.com, your destination for smarter appliance decisions.